What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing wheel spacers on my Mercedes C300. As you can see right here, we already got the wheel off. I decided to go with the 17.5mm wheel spacers all around. I did get it from ECS Tuning, as you can see. And I got the lug nuts right here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get all the grime off of here with the steel wool, and then we're gonna apply some anti-seize lubricant to the wheel spacers. So if down the road I ever want to take them off, it's not as hard to take these off. So I'm just gonna take some regular degreaser that I got from my local AutoZone, and I'm gonna spray this down. And I decided to use a brass brush too, just to get the harder areas like the corners and stuff like that. But I will be using the steel wool too. Spray it down one more time and just use the steel wool now. And I'm just going to wipe it down with a microfiber. Still a few more raised portions. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the anti-seize and I'm just going to apply some dots on here. You don't need too much because it should be spread out pretty good. You can go ahead and place it on.
So these ECS tuning ones, they're like the Burger tuning. Turn on the side, they come with those little flanges so you can stick a screwdriver. I think it's there we go, now it's focused. They have that little flange, so if you ever want to take them off, and if they're stuck to the rotor for some reason, you can pry it off easier. I'm glad to see that they did the same thing.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us putting the spacers on the Mercedes. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you guys in the next video.